Hi everyone. Today I've decided I'm going to try doing a Dutch pour using the hairdryer. It'll be my first attempt, so I'm hoping to get something halfway decent from it. And my colours I'm using are white, of course, but I'm also using black. I want to do a split colour picture. I'm also going to be using Menestral green, violet, gold, cyan blue and Tuscan red. And I have a little dimethicone added to all the colours except the black and the white. So I'll start by pouring the white first. And black on the other side. Okay, and smooth them out over my picture. I'm using a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and my paints are mixed thinner than I would use for a dirty pour or a puddle pour, so as I want them to glide smoothly with the hairdryer. Right, I'll just spread a little more white. I don't think I've got quite enough across there. Right, now for the colours. Yep, I'll start with green and work my way through all the colours till they're on the canvas. Okay, so I'm ready to start using the hairdryer. I apologise now if it looks really funny or I'm not doing it properly. I'm looking forward to trying this part. I'm really enjoying this painting, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it comes out. I will mute the sound as much as I can because my hairdryer is very loud. No, I've changed my mind. I've decided I need to torch now because there are a lot of bubbles in the painting. Rightio. Now I'm going to add some more white paint, the rest of what I have. and do that again. I'll now tip on the rest of my black paint. Okay, and try this side. Yes, I think that'll do. Looking good. Might take a bit of the white out. I'll just see if I can lift it a little. And take just a little of the white down. Nope, not working that way. Yes, I overdid it on this corner, I'm afraid. It's a little on the muddyish side, but I will give it a torch. Okay, well, that's my first attempt at using doing the Dutch pour using the hairdryer. There's a lot of colours going on there. I do like it, but it is very busy with the different colours, and I think the next time I try doing this I'm going to use 2 or 3 colours rather than 6. Well, the picture has changed quite a bit. When I came back to check it about 10 minutes ago, it had too much paint on it. I knew I was going to have to take some of the paint off. There's some of the drippings of the paint. There was probably twice as much paint on there as what there should have been. So I thought I had put the camera on. I hadn't, as it turned out, so I apologise. I didn't manage to get any of it videoed. But what I ended up doing was removing a large part of the paint, and the canvas is a lot better without it. And I know for the future not to use way too much paint when I am doing a Dutch pour. So this is how my picture looks. There are a lot of cells. I just love this violet shade here. I can't get too close, it gets too blurry. But the colour is so pretty. Okay, so that's my picture now. I will leave it to dry. I'll take a few still shots of it on macro up closes. Thank you very much again for joining me, and I'll see you next time.